Exacto.
Hello, this is May.
May, it's Taylor. I just moved in. The garage door is working. Now it's not working. I'd like my money back, please.
Okay, I'll be right there. Did you hit the sensor?
I mean, I hit it with a garbage can when they took it out.
See, it's an easy fix. If these sensors are not lined up, the garage door won't close all the way down. It's a safety precaution, so nothing will get damaged when the garage door is closing.
Ah, got it. I guess I'll keep the house.
For tips and tricks like this, like and follow for more.